Thank you for giving me this opportunity to do this. And I'd like to introduce you to my solution today. The name is LeadGenie CRM. It's an AI powered lead generation and enrichment platform. And without wasting too much time, I would like to show you how this works. To sign up, you can sign up with your Google Auth or you can use your email. But since I already have an account, I'll just use my email. And this is your dashboard. Your dashboard shows you every information going on in your CRM, from your email activities to your total revenue to your deals, number of company contacts, quick actions, email activities, automation metric, AI auto response analytics, and recent activity. Smart. So this shows you the companies on your CRM. This that were added from your lead finder page, but we'll get there in a bit. So this is how your company page displays. You can see info about the company. You can find prospects. You can generate sequence, and you can view on LinkedIn as well. So that's your company page. These are the companies I have from my development phase till now. Now it's in production. So this is your deals page. These are the list of deals here I created. You have an AI worker on the deals page. You can create new deals. This is the grid view. There's a Kanban view here as well. You can move to next steps and all. You can move to the next step for the Kanban, and this is your AI worker helps you find opportunities using the context of your business and the context of the companies in your CRM, and it drafts. Let's click on this, and it drafts ready to send emails following that context, and this will save you a lot of time. It will save marketing teams the time waiting for this to open now. It will save marketing team a lot of time opening from one tab to the other or using different software to achieve simple marketing goals. So this is the auto AI worker, the emails it generates for you. So let's just use one as an example. So this is the company Delio, and Delio, what do they do? Delio provides end-to-end private market infrastructure for leading financial institution, suggesting the need for robust. So let's use this is the email generated for Delio, and that would be Biz Boosters because that's the company I used on my profile. So that's the context it has for this to generate this email. So that's the Biz Boosters creating turning complex digital vision into reality using AI. We've been impressed by Delio's innovation, private market infrastructure. We believe our AI automation studio could significantly enhance your suite of products. So this is automatically generated. You can choose to create a deal and add it to your deal page, or you can create and send, and it sends the email automatically, one click to Delio, and then you start your conversation from there. So that will be how the AI worker works for that page. Then your people's page are people from the company. So the information you get from the company would be added to your people's page. So you can either create new contact on people's page, or you can import from the list of companies on your company page. That was where I imported most of these ones. So that's all. Yeah. So for the events page, we have you can view all the events here. You can create new events, fill this out and create events. You can also create event and view from the calendar view. Today, tomorrow, you can do this. Create a list, calendar view, new events. So for the invoice on this page, you can generate invoice with AI and send to your clients automatically. So here you choose the invoice or quotation, not just invoice or quotation. You can choose quotation. You select the company you generate an info. You click on the deal. and then you add extra information, but for the purpose of time, I would just and then you generate. So let me generate this one. Just so I didn't add any extra information here. We generated one. You can view, this is the invoice. You can view the invoice here. There's a draft. You can send the email to the company, but we'll leave that right now. That's for the invoice page. So lead finder page, this is very crucial. I would say let's use 10 to 50. Yeah, maybe 10 to 50. Let's use London. So let's use maybe, let's say, what industry? Let's use real estate. Let's use real estate development. Let's use rentals. Let's add rentals just to give the AI more context. And you can choose between AIs there, but we're using OpenAI for now. And your search starts with XR API. So for this page, we use XR API to search, and we use OpenAI and Perplexity as well. Then we also have the Get Prospect API that gets email from LinkedIn pages. So wait for the batch processing to load. So what I did for this page was, for better UX experience, I made the batch processing show information how it just did, rather than waiting and looking at the blank page for better user experience. And if you click on this, you can see it's still processing, but at least you have something to view, which keeps the user engaged. Rather than viewing a blank page, it will display the full information shortly after it finish extracting them. Then we can come and have another view, see it again. So it has so let's just wait for it. So it's still processing. So you can always test this out yourself and see how it works. So it's done processing. We got 23 companies. So let's check. So here we have email, we have phone number, forest, real estate. You can click add to CRM. This company already exists in your CRM, so that's smart. Then look for the next one, Goodstone Living. You can check their website, check them on LinkedIn as well. So I'll just add another one to see. So let me just add Goodstone Living and see. Yeah, so Goodstone has been added to your CRM. So for the purpose of time, I think I'll just go on. So this is how you can also enrich this further once you add it to your company's page. So here is your pipeline page where you have all the deals going on. You also have a Kanban view for this one where you can still move things. So that's that for then for your sequence page, all sequence. So here you can create email sequence, and that sends automatically after every condition, or you can say after 24 hours. If no response, send this. So we'll just do a quick one because of time. I think this video is to be 15 minutes. So custom instruction, or I'll just create one. So you can do an send first email immediately. You can do enable auto response, but let's just generate one just for the purpose of this demo. Come on, okay, cool. So yeah, you can see generated 3 steps. So how this work is, you can then personalize. Let's say just choose this one. So you can personalize, you can choose your template here, professional tone. You create your sequence draft. Time is running. So here you've created your sequence draft. This is it. So you can choose to either start or the starts. Let's say just random. So create draft sequence. So now it says your sequence is created for Capstick LRP at this time. So you should find it at the top of your page. So you can go to view all campaigns page. That is where this is what we just created now. You can see I created a few other ones before. This one is paused, this one is active. So while it's active, the cron job refreshes, checks every 1 hour. So it keeps checking to know when to send the next one. So these are all the ones I put in the past during my dev stage. And then you can start this one. Sequence updated, takes a few seconds to become active. So here you can view your, so here these are the rules. You have not opening 48 hours, it sends the next one, sends the next, if open but not click, send after 72 hours. So it sends automatically without you touching that. And this sequence will kick off in a bit, but just for the purpose of time, we might come back and check that. For the purpose of time, your campaign overview, just for bulk emails, overview there. Email health, this is shows you your email health. Automation, email health, I think it has authentication, it has bounce events and trends. Yeah, so you can always refresh that on automation. You can set your automation rule here. Then you have our campaign page. This is where you see all your replies. All campaign, bulk email campaign. We don't have any for now. So your sequences, the one we just created, is active now. So 1 of 3 0 cents. So we have some that one is sent already, and 2. So this one responded already. Conversation. So your conversation is like when someone responds to you, rather than going to send an email, you can just respond on here and come here and either auto-generate a response or manually send an email here, and like more of a conversation than sending a complete email. And you can use AI to generate that as well. So collaboration is where you have your teams. You can send invitations for teams to join, sales teams. You also have a shared inbox, and you have files you saved. The invoice we created earlier on, or the quotation, it automatically saves to this path. You have your email settings where you have your Gmail auth, resend and send grid, and Nango as well. The Nango, I think I hit my Nango limit here, so I had to just use direct Gmail auth for this one. But the Nango script is still on the back end. I can just trigger it on the front end when I upgrade my plan. And automation rule here. Then on your account, you have settings where you can change your profile. You put your profile here, your information. The AI will use that in sending emails. Your business information. The AI will use this as well to send emails. The AI model you can choose. Email branding, integration. Basically, that's all. And here is this is the Vercel, this is long fuse to check the, I think that's all.